In this tutorial, I will show you how to use libraries. Libraries are like pretty popular. AWS Amplify, the Graph Slash, FaunaDB, and Neo4 RT, as far as I remember. What all those systems have in common? They use transformation language. They use transformation directives. So let me show you. So I go to libraries. I can, of course, define my own libraries because they are only graphical projects. But as you can see, I can add AWS Amplify. Do I need AWS Scholars? Let me see. Okay, I add AWS Scholars. And I think that's it. And let me save changes. Okay. So as you can see, I have those two libraries here. Let me move to graph. As you can see, there are many nodes with dashed line. What does it mean? They are not the main schema. They're just stitched. Why we did it this way? Because all those providers did it the wrong way just before. They are providing all those directive libraries, but they do not require definitions inside the schema. GraphQL schema definition language itself requires them. So that's why this is somehow separated. So the file which holds libraries is one file, and one file is the file with schema. So right now, I can show you that even if I don't have those directives in my schema will validate. So if I want to make pizza, AWS Amplify model, not a problem. Let's just see the directive itself model. Okay, queries, mutation, subscription. Okay, so I think that's it. So I've successfully added AWS Amplify, and if I right now try to generate my Amplify schema out this schema, it will just work. So this is how the libraries work. But you can ask what will happen if I have a conflict. So let's try to search. Maybe there is a fork of Amplify. Okay, let me select that. Okay, and you can see how many conflicts cannot stitch schemas with conflicting nodes. So we need to delete. This is probably some public projects from a user. And yeah, I have those libraries back. So all the libraries nodes, what else? They're visible in view. So for example, if I want to see content, I can see that also here. And that's it for libraries. Thank you very much, and see you in the next